Some places impress you the moment you arrive. Pratumnak is one of them. Just a few minutes away from Pattaya city lies one of the most desirable residential areas on Thailand's eastern seaboard. Perched on a gentle hillside between Pattaya city and Jomtien, this exclusive neighborhood enjoys a quieter atmosphere while remaining close to everything the city has to offer. Pratumnak offers a unique balance between privacy, convenience, and luxury living. The neighborhood is well known for its upscale condominiums, luxury villas, boutique hotels, and premium residential developments. Pratumnak is also home to some of Pattaya's most beautiful beaches. The beaches here offer a more relaxed atmosphere, perfect for morning walks, swimming, or simply enjoying the sea breeze. Within minutes, residents can reach Pattaya's shopping centers, international restaurants, and entertainment districts. One of Pratumnak's most iconic landmarks is the big Buddha temple overlooking the city from the hilltop. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence, a holiday home, or an investment opportunity, Pratumnak continues to be one of the strongest lifestyle locations in the region. This is more than just a place to live. It's a place to enjoy the very best of Pattaya.